I love this question. It's how will I know if my WordPress website needs to be HIPAA compliant? When it comes to HIPAA compliance, and also I encourage you to check out hhs.gov because they have a lot more detailed descriptions of what HIPAA is and where it applies. But in general, a good way to view it is to ask the question about the website. Is there any patient information that's being collected through the website and stored where the website is hosted? The follow-up question naturally that comes here, how do I know if it's patient information? So if there's a website that has a user portal that patients are using, then that's almost 100% certain that HIPAA would apply there. The gray area comes in when it's not necessarily a patient portal, but the website does have some contact forms on it, for example, and the visitors to the website are not necessarily patients, but they are visitors that are potentially interested in healthcare from the website owner.